All right, look, if he does any of these 5 things, he's settled for you. Let's find out.
Like a boss.
All right, ladies, so we're going to be using today 90 Day Fiance to help you guys understand what are the 3 signs that a guy is just settling for you, all right? And the reason why I wanted to use these examples is because it's actually, I've been in that situation, ladies and gentlemen. I've settled before. It is not fun, all right? We've all had moments of settling, all right? But I'm gonna give you guys a sign because the truth is man, is that you don't deserve to be settled with, all right? It's not a good energy. You know what? It's like when friends just settle for you and they're just friends with you out of convenience. It's not a good feeling. Nobody wins in that situation, right? So let me give you a sign. And we're gonna break them down. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna break them down right now, and we're gonna give you guys some of the signs that a guy is settling for you. So let's begin.
Today, Azan's taking me to the market in Marrakesh, and technically we're not supposed to hug or kiss in public, but that's gonna be really hard for me.
Right now, look, I know it's public, but let's.
You know where we're going?
Yeah. This is the place that I want to show you,
Nice.
By the way, she's really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, she's actually a really pretty girl.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different stuff here, like amazing stuff.
Now look at his energy, right? Look at him, right? You see that, right? When you see that, that's a dude who is like, God damn it, I'm with this chick. I swear to God, I know that look. That's the look of like, I cannot believe I'm with this chick. I cannot believe this is the only girl I could get. I am telling you. Like, the thing is, ladies, is that no matter how you look, there's always a guy for you. It's just how it is. This is not the kind of guy that it is for you. Whenever you get this kind of energy, the first sign is this, man. This is the first sign. One, because in the show he wanted her to get to the gym from the first fucking episode. All right. So if a guy already wants to change you from the start, you know, let's say you're overweight, he's already trying to get you to the gym from the start. He's settling for you. You know what I'm saying? He's looking at you as a project. It's kind of like when a broke person buys a car because he has to. So as soon as he gets it, he starts fixing it. That's it. And it's not even the fact that he wants to change you. You know, the next thing is that it's the sense of coldness and distance that he has. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you.
And like if you see like postcards and stuff, this is what you see. I'm at the postcard now.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Right, let me show you. Look
Postcards
at this smile. Right,
this
look at that
is
smile.
what you see.
Watch.
I'm at the postcard now.
That's a fake smile. You know what I'm saying? Look at that real smile and look at that fake smile. And with that negative body language. Come on, man. Come on.
That's cool.
It's time, you know, they can make it like...
For napkins. How much is it?
السلام عليكم. بخير. كده بخير. يعني لحظة. شحال أخويا هذه؟ ماشي مشكل. ماشي يعني لا مش مشكل. So that's cool.
You see what I'm saying? Like the negative body language, right? And ladies, you should... When a guy's being this negative, man, and you're in her situation, I would recommend just to completely pull away. Give him more distance than he needs. You see what I'm saying? Like, give him more than he's asking. All right? Because that'll show you what he really wants. Because all right, let's keep watching. See that energy? The negative energy, right? That's a sign that he's settling. You know? Because, man, it's crazy. You see her face? Look at that face, right? Right? You shouldn't be taking this, man. Like, it's better to be alone than to deal with these kind of emotions, man, because they sort of spiral out of control, man.
لا ما كاينش ما عنديش.
It never had changed. First of all, I mean, it's her fault for like wanting it so badly. You know what I'm saying? She should be sensing that he doesn't want to hug her. But I get it, you know. But the thing is that let's see.
شكرا أخويا. Okay, let's go.
When I go to hug you, don't tell me no. Like, I can understand things, okay, but you cannot just stop me from everything. And I'm not gonna, like, touch you up and stuff.
You see, and the thing is that when a guy does that, you shouldn't complain. You should just leave. Like, you guys should be women of less words and more action, because that'll literally drive the point. And sometimes you could say that, and what's gonna happen is that he's gonna be forced to either leave more or to get closer to you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know, but you can hug me if you want to.
Okay, so I'll hug you.
Yeah, it's okay. So you can.
So don't push me.
See, again, the thing that gets me is his tone of voice. He's very serious and like very emotionless, right? When you're getting that from somebody, man, I am telling you, man, it's better just to stop putting so much effort, man. You know.
Away? So don't push me
I
away.
didn't.
I'm the kind of woman who likes like physical affirmation, you know, hugs and kisses and even like little weird cute things. You know, just physical stuff.
See, that's a that's a look. That's a look of a guy who's not happy. And that's the thing. The next sign is this, man. Is that he doesn't validate you, man. You know, he doesn't validate you. He doesn't make you feel special. You know what I'm saying? Look, it's hard to make a woman feel special when you're settling for her. Because deep down you're resentful at life. Deep down you're resentful that you have to deal with this woman. You know what I'm saying? Deep down you feel like shit because this is all you could get. You know, and that's not the energy that he should be having, and that's not the energy that she deserves. So in that case, both people should just leave. Settling never makes anybody happy in the long term. Poor, look at this guy. God damn, we need help.
It's like reassuring that, you know, he does love me and that, you know, he's happy with me. I
He
don't
doesn't love you, girl. Look at that. Come on, man.
know. It's just like not being able to do those things. It really sucks. Like, it's really upsetting.
You know? So look, man, the signs are these, man. One, he wants you to change from the start because if you watch the show, he wanted her already to get in shape. All right? Two, which is the one, he checks out other women. When he's around you, he checks other women out. He can't help it. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you're with a girl and you settle for her, you're going to always be looking around. Three, he doesn't kiss you in public or he doesn't take you around his friends because he's kind of embarrassed of you. And third, one, he wants you to change. Two, checking out the women. Three, he doesn't like to kiss you in public. Four, there's a sense of coldness and distance. And five, he doesn't validate you. You got to complain to him to make you feel special. And if you're in that place, move on, girl. Find somebody else. He don't love you, man. I'm gonna make a shirt for that, man. I'm gonna make a shirt. All right, ladies, man. This is it, man. If you guys want more of these videos, just subscribe and let me know. And don't forget, purchase my merchandise. Get one-on-one coaching if you guys need any coaching and help. Just go to coaching. Go in the description down below. And check out my Spanish channel. I have a Spanish channel that I talk about all of this in Spanish on the description down below. All right? Peace out. Oh, I do have a self-help. My Instagram is all about self-help. All right? So if you guys want more videos about that, I posted a video yesterday, 2 days ago. Check it out on the description down below. Peace out. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.